Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nee. I'm gonna be reviewing and testing out a few different products, but the main one will be Magic Maker by Sex Education. It's a NYX collaboration with NYX. And look at these beautiful vibrant shades. Apparently these two and these two are pressed powders. Overall, I did a pink and purple look. And yeah, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and gives me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you soon and have a fantastic day.
I have bad posture.
This is my sister New.
Hey. Gosh, the battery's gonna die already.
Damn.
We're gonna be swatching some products from the Sex Education collection with NYX. Sex Education is a Netflix TV show.
Yeah, she ordered this, and I didn't know what she ordered. She ordered it from what, Ulta?
Ulta, yeah.
And look at like the colors in this palette.
Oh, it's focusing on me.
This is the jumbo stick.
Yeah.
She also ordered Beauty Bakerie. We both never tried this brand.
Yeah, we haven't.
This is the lemon bar. Out like this. You want to swatch them?
Yeah, what do you want to start with?
So she's more fair skinned than me. I'm more like an olive-y.
I'm pink all the way. So first shade is pink. Excuse my nails. Oh wow. Holy shit.
The next one's the purple one.
These are really good, I think. This is my first time also trying NYX eyeshadows in general.
Same.
So green.
Looks like Barney.
Barney? Oh yeah.
That one's a little patchy.
And then, yeah, it's more patchy than the pink. The pink was really smooth.
Next one's the blue one.
The green and the purple remind me of Barney. You're right about that.
Well, it's not very pigmented.
It's not as bright as I expected it to be.
Yeah.
But it's not patchy. And then the second to last shade is like a gold color. This one is also not patchy, but there's no really base color to it. It's mostly glitter in my opinion.
Orange one, the last one.
I think it's shimmery. Oh, that one's pigmented. That looks pigmented. Yeah, it is.
And next we're gonna open up this, the jumbo pencil. Or is this the rich? This is the original jumbo pencils they have. They just
yeah, it's the same colors except they just put it in this, like, they just chose these 6 colors for this packaging.
So I have this shade. This one is Milk. I've heard a lot of people use Milk before.
Milk is like just a white shade. I don't think there's any glitter or like shimmer in it. It's just matte white.
Yeah, it's just matte white.
Just take off our faces. Yeah, there. This shade is called Frosting. Oh my gosh, it's like basically this color of my skin. I would describe this as
champagne.
Almost about champagne, but a little bit more bronzy and warm.
It's got like in the corner maybe.
Maybe for you. It might be too dark for me. I don't know.
This color next is the
Sherbet.
Sherbet. I was gonna say Sherbet.
Sherbet.
Oh, it's pink.
Ooh, I like that color. That could be like all over the lid, under like a liner. So the next shade is called Eggplant.
It's like a purple then?
Yeah, purple glitter. So it's the purple shade.
This looks pretty from there.
Yeah. Oh.
So I'm gonna be going to dinner very soon, so I have to do this video. Anyways, so my sister got me this Sex Education NYX palette, and also she also got the eye pencil set, which is just a jumbo set, and it has 6 different shades in it. I asked her what color she wanted me to use, and she said the pink and purple. I have nothing on my face right now. Let's start with primer. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Silk Canvas primer. 'cause primer, just the mini version. And put that right here. And then If you've seen Sex Education, please let me know. If not, maybe try it out. I only watched, I think, the first season only. I didn't watch the other season because lately I've just been watching K-drama actually on Netflix, or even on Viki. This is probably gonna have a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna do an eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion primer. And I'm gonna set it with a powder. So I'm actually gonna take this Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm gonna take Flower Child, which is this shade right here. Just set the shadow primer. By all means, I am not a makeup artist at all. I actually don't really do bright colors, so this is my first time doing a bright color. So we'll see how it goes. This palette, what am I supposed to do with this? So she wants me to use these two shades. This is not clean, but I'm gonna use this brush, this blending brush. Dip into this Coral palette, which is actually pretty much brand new. I got it like a few weeks ago. Take this shade right here and just put that on my crease area. I actually don't mind this palette. I used it twice so far. There is a lot of thought out within the palette when you put the brushes on, but blending it out, I really like it so far. They have other mini shades too, which I kind of want to get and try it out. And then I'm gonna take some of the brush and put that under my eye area. I'm just gonna take this pink shade right here, and this is the color Sherbet. I think my sister called it Sherbet. So I'm gonna put this on the outer edge of my eye. Blend that out with my finger. So now I'm gonna take the pink in this palette and then I'm gonna pack that on. And I use this brush again and blend the edges a little bit. I'm gonna take this color, this gold one. This is called Frosting. I'm gonna take that color, put that right here, and I'm gonna use my finger and blend that color out. And then I'm gonna use this flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go back into this Essence palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It's like a gold and like pink undertone. Gold and pink undertone. I'm gonna put that right here. I'll go back into this shade right here. Kind of add on a little bit more pink. So I'm gonna be using this Eggplant one, and I'm gonna add that on my not the waterline, but underneath my waterline. I'm gonna drag it out, and I'm gonna like do like a mini eyeliner moment with the purple. It's just hard because it's so thick. Well, it is a jumbo one. And I'm gonna take an angle brush and dip into this purple color. I'm gonna curl my lashes. So lately I've been more into skincare, but ever since like I tried the birth control that was in the arm for like only like 6 months, it gave me cystic acne, which I've never had in my life before. So I had to take it out, spent so much money on different skincare products, and finally like I don't have cystic acne anymore. And the mascara I'm using right now is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. It's the gold one. I'm actually gonna finish up my face makeup look and then I'll come right back. So I just put a concealer on. I really don't wear foundation anymore. But so also my sister got me this Beauty Bakerie palette. I'm actually gonna take this shade right here. Actually, there's a lot of fallout. You see that? I just tapped it like twice, and I'm gonna bronze. Since my eyes are very loud, I don't want my face to be very loud. So I'm gonna be using the shade in Wildflower by Studio Makeup. I've had this forever though, and I put that above my cheekbone, my cheeks actually. So it's more of a lifted look. And I drag it across my nose. Go Mark Sunkiss look down here, a little bit here. So this is my completed look. The only thing I added to my eyes was the shade right here in the inner corners that I use on my highlight. It's really pretty, but it's just a lot of fallout. But overall, it's a cute palette if you want to play with colors for like a very inexpensive palette. I completed with the new lip too as well.